Good morning, internet. It's the next day. You may notice that the quality is a little different because I'm actually vlogging on a actual camera just for this portion. I wanted to do my makeup. I wanted to just kind of do a speed get ready with me, but I realized that I don't have a tripod or anything to hold my phone, so I have to hold it the whole time, which is kind of difficult if I want to do my makeup at the same time. So I'm just going to use this camera for this portion as I get ready, put my makeup on, and then I'm going to switch back to my phone when I vlog the rest of the day. Today we are going out to Milford Sounds. We have a cruise lined up, so I'm really excited to go see that, although a little nervous because I tend to get seasick really easily. Like any sort of motion, I get sick really fast. So yeah, I'm hoping it will be windy and it'll be smooth, so we'll see how we go. But it's about a 2-hour drive to get there from now, so it's gonna be a lot of driving today, so expect a lot of driving footage. So yeah, just gonna do my makeup. Drive, and this is what everything looks like. Very peaceful. We have 116 kilometers down this exact road.
Yes, just straight.
Just straight. I hope you guys can see my glasses. Oh yeah, there's this like smoke up ahead. I don't know if it's like a fire. I don't know. Doesn't look good. And the roads were closed yesterday because to get some obstruction off, so, but it said it was open today, so hopefully we will be lucky. We're much closer to it now.
And they're just blowing soil into the air or something.
Oh, you reckon they're just digging?
Because it's so red, like it was burning. I didn't expect more black smoke.
Yeah, that's true.
But I don't know, it looks weird.
I can't see it anymore.
Yeah, I think it's been off to the cancer.
Yeah, totally to the side over there somewhere. It's back, and it's
back right in our face.
really large. Closer now. It looks really ominous.
It looks impressive. It looks humongous.
Turns out it's a controlled fire. Oh, there's people.
I'm not actually honest.
Controlled fires today.
Yes, the sky is just red.
Yeah, this guy is not happy. We're doing a quick pit stop just so Tobias can stretch his legs in front of what I think is kind of like one of the most amazing things I've seen in a long time. This is where we're stopped. This is literally the scene in front of us. And I think it's just like a photo op. There's lots of random people taking photos. This is pretty cool. Let's see if I can zoom out. There you go. Kind of get the full.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like super black. That's mountain.
Yeah. You can like free reign to walk right up to it and everything. In an area with really intense cliffs on both sides. I don't know if you can really see it. But yeah, I think we're gonna come back here around this area because there's a lake inside as well. It just looks really, really impressive on the way back. Because I think we have to be there in about an hour, and we should have about, actually, how much time do we have left? According to the GPS, about 35 minutes left, so we should get there in time. But yeah, it's like every portion of this drive, there's like new, really amazing things. We saw there was a really large lake that perfectly reflected the mountains because it was so still. There was no wind at all, but we don't really have time to stop at every scene today. Well, not today, but right now, because we've got to get to Milford Sounds, but maybe on the way back. This is a really nice shot.
Especially the white mountains and everything.
Yeah. Super pretty shot. So we've come to this middle point where we're going to go right through the mountain, which is kind of cool. There's a tunnel right at the end. And we have to wait 7 more minutes. We've been here for about 8+ minutes, 8.5 minutes. So yes, and that's the view on the other
That's a
side.
pretty amazing view.
Looks amazing. This is like I seriously remember Lord of the Rings walking through this stuff. And there's a queue forming up behind. 6.5 minutes. Finally made it. And we got here a little early, so we have time to look around before we check in. To Milford Sounds. Look how still the lake is. Literally, it's like a full reflection, well, with a bit of rippling, a full reflection. It's pretty cool. Okay, it's a bit more wide angle so you can actually see everything. It's super nice. What I don't remember is there's flies everywhere. Like these little flies, they're everywhere. They're actually on the screen. So much for getting here on time and early. Signage isn't great, so we kind of got a bit lost, but we think we're headed in the right direction now. We'll probably be 10 minutes late or so. That's okay. We'll still get there before the departure time, and I think that's what matters. But this is a very nice walk. Very tropical rainforest sort of walk. No, this is the boat that we're taking, Cruise Milford. And we made it in time, thank goodness. So, made it to the cruise, and Toby says it's gimbal. And I'm probably just gonna stay here because I get motion sickness really easily. So, but hopefully it'll be a good cruise.
The signal to assemble at either of those locations is a series of 7 short blasts followed by 1 long blast on the vessel's horn. We're close for photo opportunities with any luck. If we've got enough sunlight effects at the base of the falls, makes a good photograph looking up the cliff face to the water spilling over the edge.
Just went under a waterfall and it was really interesting experience. Seals, they're all sleeping. Cute seals, sleeping seals. Coming up to a very big waterfall. And they're gonna put the boat underneath it so people can get wet if they want to. And that's huge. Whoa, that's so big. Oh my gosh. And it's fogging up the glass. It's crazy. They're getting all wet.
Well, some people wanted to be out there.
Yep. Wow, that's insane. It's like going through a really bad storm.
At 2,014 metres, permanently snow and ice capped. The ice field on the shoulder of the mountain is the remnants of the Pembroke Glacier.
So we finished the cruise. Toby's is taking one last photo. And then we're going to drive back to town now.
Slowly.
The cruise was actually really good. Usually I get motion sickness really quickly, but it wasn't the case this time. I actually felt good, but I think it's also because I wasn't moving around a lot. I basically just sat in the 1 or 2 places the entire time, which is kind of for me the best way to control motion sickness. Toby's went all over the shop, but he doesn't get motion sickness. So I hope you enjoyed it.
That was really good. I liked it. Supermarket.
We are coming back to the tunnel of doom.
See how long we have to wait.
I'm going to show you guys what's in the tunnel this time because I only filmed it for my other channel. I'm going to film it for this channel now.
Does that really say 21 minutes?
What?
21:50?
21? No, 2.
Oh, sorry too. I'm like, okay. Oh yeah, it's
Oh my gosh, it was like 20 minutes of you like, what? Ah! You guys can see up there, it seriously looks like Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon sort of scene.
like smoky.
Very cool. And all the white streaks are water. Mini waterfalls. Going into the tunnel of doom. You'll see why I say it's the tunnel of doom, because it feels like it'll be a good test on the low light on the iPhone as well.
Here we go.
Going a little slower this time as well, cars, so you can actually see how dark it is. Yeah, okay, the camera's struggling to focus. Part here is total Lord of the Ring vibes, in my opinion. You can see my reflection. Hello. We're making a pit stop to check out some of the things that we wanted to see on the way to Milford Sound but didn't get a chance to see, and this is one of them. How cool is this? I actually don't know the name of this place, but it looks really nice. Very, very cool. And wait, can I go, let me see, I can go wide angle in video. Oh my god, I can go wide angle in video. I didn't know I could do that. So impressive. It just keeps going. Now I'm back on the road.
On the road again.
I can't wait to be on the road again.
Sorry though.
Second pit stop, Mirror Lakes. Let's go check it out. On the road, land of sheep. Sheep everywhere. So many sheep, not even joking, not exaggerating. Many, many sheep. So we made it over to a place called Redcliffe, which is one of the more highly rated restaurants, cafes in Te Anau.
It looks really rustic.
It looks really rustic. There's like stuff at the back, table setting. It's really nice though.
It's very quaint.
Dinner's arrived. I got steak. Toby's got fish. He's filming his fish.
People ask me what I do.
Dessert. Sticky date pudding with ice cream and banana. I think this is sticky date with banana pudding.
Yeah, it looks really delicious.
Toffee and banana and oats. You can eat the oats.
I eat the oats.
I don't like the
I like
oats.
oats.
So we finished dinner and we are currently here. You can see the behind the scenes of me trying to shoot a time lapse, except we couldn't figure out how to actually shoot a time lapse on the G7X, so we're just shooting a video and we'll just speed it up. But actually this shot's quite nice from here. No, like from here. Look, it's a little duck family.
They're coming for us.
They're coming for us. No. We're still waiting for our time lapse to get finished, so we're just killing time, and they literally are coming right towards us.
Yes.
We have nothing for you. We have no bread.
We have no food.
So cute. That first one's a little brave,
Yeah.
forging ahead.
It's like the Casper of the ducks.
Casper of the ducks. Oh, is the ducks yelling?
No, but they're not that happy.
They seem a little aggressive.
Well, they've got to protect their young.
Are they just hissing or are they
No,
saying,
they're like,
go away. Go away. Go away, humans. Go away. Okay, well, I feel like it's been a little while since I last vlogged. I think I was like doing the time lapse, and then we came home, and basically I've just been watching Cardcaptor Sakura since. Well, I've been editing the next video a little bit because I want to make sure I stay in the video schedule, but I've also been watching Cardcaptor Sakura. Anyways, this is what my hair looks like. I washed it today because we're getting a lot of like spray on from Milford Sounds, and then yesterday I got like my hair a bit wet from the cave, So I felt like I needed to wash it, even though I generally only wash my hair once a week. So I've been washing it a lot more lately just because I've been going out and being more active. But yeah, it's naturally more wavy. Anyways, I'm going to close off the vlog. So thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from Te Anau. Back to you, Janelle.